In this video, we're learning how to find the median of a set of numbers. And if you look at the top of the screen, it says the median is the middle number when the terms are arranged from least to greatest. So if we take a look at example 1, we have this set of 7 numbers, and what we want to start by doing is arranging them from least to greatest. And as I arrange them from least to greatest, I like to cross them out so I make sure I don't miss any numbers. So our smallest number is 3, so I'm going to go ahead and write 3 down here, cross it out. Our next smallest number is 5. And next we have 15. We have 17. Then we have 29. Next is 35. And finally our last number is 48, and we've crossed all of them out so we know we didn't miss any numbers. And now all we have to do is just find the middle number. So because we have an odd number of terms, right? We have 7 terms, it's pretty easy to find the middle. So take a second and see if you can find the middle number. And you should get that 17 is the middle because there's 3 to the left of it and 3 to the right of it. So our median is just 17. So finding the median, especially with a set of odd numbers, is pretty easy. So let me show you guys what to do if you have a set of even numbers. So if we take a look at example 2, we're going to start by doing the same thing we did in example 1. We're going to line up our numbers from least to greatest. So we're going to start with 6, and then we have 11. Next we have 16. We have 24, 26, 30, 48, and 51, and we've crossed out all of our numbers so we know we didn't miss any. And now you may be noticing that there are 2 middle numbers. So 24 and 26 are both in the middle because we have an even number of terms. So we don't have one middle number. So when that happens, what you have to do is find the average or the mean between 24 and 26. So I'm going to write average of 24 and 26. So that's what we're going to have to find. And remember, the average between 2 numbers is just the middle of those 2 numbers. So you can actually just think about what is in the middle of 24 and 26. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the average formula in case that way makes more sense. So remember, to find the average or the mean between a set of numbers, you need to find the sum of the numbers and divide it by the number of terms. So however many numbers you're taking the average of. So in this case, we're going to find the sum of 24 and 26. And we're going to divide it by 2 because we're finding the average of 2 numbers. 24 plus 26 gives us 50. So we have 50 over 2, which remember is the same as 50 divided by 2, which is just 25. So we get that our median is equal to 25. And what I was saying before is you could just think about what's the middle of 24 and 26, and you can probably realize that 25 is right in the middle of 24 and 26. So you can also find the median that way, but the average equation is helpful when it's harder to understand what the middle of the 2 numbers are. So hopefully this video helped you guys understand how to find the median of a data set. You just need to line up the numbers from least to greatest and then find the middle number.